Welcome back to a new video. Hope you're all doing well. I'm going to be showing you some top hidden features in iOS 16 in this video. Let's get going. Right, so the first setting is you can view Wi-Fi passwords now in iOS 16. So step 1, you want to go to settings, go to Wi-Fi, tap the edit button in the top right hand corner, and then you tap on the little I button for the password that you want to view, and now you can just tap on the password and you're able to view it. It's that simple. I find this will be quite useful for you might have forgotten a password and then you've got to share the password with someone on like an Android device where the share doesn't work. So this is quite useful and I think it will be widely used, especially for you forgetful people. The second one is haptic feedback. I'm sure this was a feature before, but they removed it. But anyways, you want to go to settings, sounds and haptics, keyboard feedback, and then you turn on haptic feedback, and that will be haptic feedback back on your keyboard. And the third hidden feature is you can now enable battery percentage. You want to go to settings, battery, turn on the battery percentage, and before in the beta it was when you enabled low power mode, battery percentage would automatically come on. However, now as I can demonstrate, the battery percentage isn't automatically triggered when I click low power mode. Also, just to let you know, on iPhone XR 11, 12 mini and 13 mini, you will have to have iOS 16.1 update for the battery percentage to work. I'm not sure why this is. I think it was an error from Apple. But anyways, it's nice, it's neat, and it's there. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.